Good morning, good morning, good morning. What a wild move overnight here. Nvidia yesterday coming out with the earnings, Microsoft, some big movers, some big stocks on the move. The market booming right now. Wow. The NASDAQ up about 1% overnight. Right now pulling back here into the 350s. Oh, wowzers. So yesterday we closed all the way down here at the 369s on the QQQ. Right now they're at the 372, 373 level. We had a high earlier up there, the 374s there on the QQQ so far. So we'll see how this plays out at open, but gosh darn, this market going absolutely bonkers overnight. Up there to the 410s, double top of the 410s right now here at the 350s. We got the VWAP on the NASDAQ at the 60s right now. So 61 VWAP up there. And right now, kind of looking like a little bit of a double bottom here at the 340, 330 area. And the NASDAQ already pushing up there again towards that VWAP. The VWAP at the 62s now. So you gotta love it. The dollar pulling back. The market going straight to the moon. Where's my phone at? Where's my phone? All right, all right. All right, all right. The NASDAQ right now pushing up there towards the 60, that VWAP level. And we'll see how what happens up in the 60s. Up there into the 60s now. See how she plays around that VWAP level. But an insane move here overnight. You can see that big move up there to the 417s during the European session. And right now pulling back here into the 335s here on the NASDAQ for now. We're below the VWAP on the NASDAQ and on the ES here. So we will see what happens. Kind of running into resistance again. Kind of there at the 51s or at the 50, what was that? 55, 56s. So VWAP right there. And then kind of push up to this pivot point. There's a pivot point there at the 382s on the NASDAQ here. Pivot points love to get touched. Big buyer came in there on the book map again at the 55s here. Fix this up really quick. 55 buyer sitting there right now trying to squeeze this higher. There he goes. He's taking it. He said, I want it. I want to get filled. Got some fill there and then popped it up there towards the 60s now. Congratulations to that buyer for supporting the whole market. The whole market on pins and needles today. Well, not pins and needles, but the whole market on pins and needles. Needles and pins. Or on chips. On chips, chips, chips. Look at that buyer just sitting there right now. Support. Somebody wants to get long here going into open. What is that? Who is that? Is that somebody on the stream? One of you guys, isn't it? Who is it? Who's buying? It's Abyss. He's getting long. Oh, man. What's funny is, like, that's only 60 contracts, like, on the bid right there. Like, not to say that I would ever buy 60 contracts on the NASDAQ, but, like, I mean, I could. You know? I could do that. I could do it. I could buy 60 contracts. I could be that guy. I could be that guy. I could be that guy, man. One day. Oh, let's do a poll. What do we think? Bump, 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 bump. Up or down? What do you guys think? Let's do the poll before I give my idea here. We'll see what when it's pure pure action here. If you guys haven't hit that like button, help me out below the like button. It's free to like, by the way. All right, right now 51% up, 49%. It's 50-50. Oh gosh, I should have put the chop on there. That 55 buyer just keeps stepping up. Look at him. He got sold into and he just stepped up again, adding liquidity there. So they want more, they said. Up and down, I think. Is anyone for sure? It's not 60 lots. It's 60 contracts. Book, the futures market doesn't show 100. Not like options. Or stocks. It's the actual number of contracts. All right, so right now we got 53% saying that we're going to go down, 47% said that we're going up. All right, the poll is set. FAQ said 1000% going down guaranteed. Well, I guess we going straight up at open. All right. Right now, below the VWAP there, I would say what I would be looking for here. Let's make a game plan. What do we got? Bum, bum. Look at this. What do we got? Let me look here. Where's the gap at? We got a massive gap here, obviously. On the ES right now, for a gap fill today, we would need to get a move all the way down. All right. What is this? What is this doing? The gap thing's messed up here. What the fuck? Something's not right. Nope. Where's the gap at? Chart's being all funky right now. Yeah, so the gap, we closed yesterday here at the 968s on the NQ. That line pretty much right here. Just get rid of all this crap on there right now. Why there's so much stuff on there? That would be the gap fill. So about a 200-point move down to fill the gap here today. I don't know, guys. It seems a little hectic. A little hectic there. We'll see. A pretty big move. Looking at the 15-minute chart right now, we're basically consolidating here. I'd say as long as we kind of stay above this area here on the NASDAQ, even like this 180, kind of like one here, right? Pretty much this area right here. We can hold up there. We can get this kind of breakout there at open. And then you're looking for a push up there above that 240 up to the 250 area. We'll find out. Hold on. Landscape guys like decide to come right when I live on you out there banging stuff around. Watch my trucks, fuckers. So, yeah, wait. What the fuck? No, sorry, that was wrong. We're at the 342s right now. My chart was broken. Dude, there we go. Now this is right. Here we go. Now we're on the right chart. I was like, what? 250s? Don't listen to me. I'm just an idiot on the internet, by the way. Why would you ever listen to this guy? All right, so let's look for this area here, that 300 area to kind of hold going into open here on the 15-minute chart. Sorry. That makes more sense now. That's funny. Right now, we're below the VWAP. I like to see us push back above the VWAP here, obviously. Turn the VWAP into support. We got that pivot point there, the 383s. So, I think if we can hold up here, hold this 320 support, we push through the VWAP, we get up there above the pivot point, then the bulls come in. If we can't hold here at the 320s, there's a lot of kind of downside potential. Maybe back down there to the 290s quickly. And then from there, it's a fucking waterfall to the downside here. So see how this goes at open. Right now, just kind of bouncing off of the 40s, up back up to the 50s. You got the VWAP there at the 62s. Got about 4 minutes. There is no data, no news this morning, so don't have to worry about any 9:45 or 10 a.m. numbers. Bum bum ba bum ba bum 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 ba ba na 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 banana banana me fam banana. I'm here. All right. I got the Market Flow Trader chat room pulled up. I'm listening to Sage right now. So got about 2 minutes here till the market opens. 2 minutes. 330 area. 325 right now, pulling back into. All right. All right. I don't know if I can listen to Sage while I also live stream. I don't know. Can I? What's he talking about? All right, we got about a minute here till market opens. Minute till market open. Getting ready, people. Let's go. Bum ba bum ba bum bum ba dum bum 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 bum. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. The market is now open for business. Right now, moving down there to the 320s, kind of bouncing for now. See what happens at this level. The bulls really want to kind of hold it up there at 25s or higher. They're running it down here. 300s coming up next. The ES still kind of holding up there, 62, 63s, but look at that move straight down right now. Can it be possible that the chat was right 2 days in a row? Oh my gosh. I have to stop doing the opposite of what the chat says. Chat's getting too good. The chat's getting too good, man. So far, just straight down here. I think we see 300 flat here. There we go. 300, the low 302 there. There's a bunch of liquidity sitting at that 300. That's why I was thinking we see 300 here. There you go. 300 getting tapped. 300 getting tapped there. 295 straight down. Look at this thing. That first candle of the day, just straight down there. Oh, baby, baby. Oh, 288s. $290s. What a sell-off here. So this is going to be another key level to see if they're going to want to bounce it here or not. We bounced there earlier. There's that break right through 280. Just straight down here. Nothing but sell, sell, sell so far. Where are the buyers at? Where are the buyers at? Anybody want to buy, buy, buy? Any buyers? Any buyers? Any buyers? No buyers yet. No buyers, no buyers. Going absolutely straight down here. Whew. Got 250 down there, support, so. On the book map right now. We're gonna drop that down there. Straight down here. No bounces yet, just straight down. What a time to be alive here. Nobody decided to show up today. No buyers, no bulls. And she's just going, baby. Down there to the 50s now. Down there all the way to the 250s so far. What's going to happen here at the 250s? And again, through the 50s. Thing is wild, my friends. Just absolutely straight down right now. No buyers. The dollar popping straight up here. What the fuck? Crazy. Should be some type of relief balance at some point here, you would think. You would think. As of right now, no relief bounce yet. Just no buyers stepping up. No buyers stepping up here. Look at this move here at open, just absolutely just getting murdered. There are no buyers coming in here. Insane. I'm impressed that this hasn't had any bounce at all yet. You got to admit, it's pretty wild that we've basically dropped 100 points with no bounce yet. The 1 minute chart is literally just red, red, red. Not sure I'd want to be getting long. I mean, getting short down here at the 40s right now. Got the 21 EMA on the 1 minute chart all the way up there at the 280s. So VWAP all the way up there at the 340s. Will anyone buy here? The ES starting to get a little bit of bounce. The NASDAQ just sitting down here at the lows right now, looking dumpy. Oh my God. And just straight down there. Still going. Gotta be some type of bounce back up here, right? Like to see something just kind of push back up, maybe 70, 80 level at least, but fuck. Not sure I'd want to get short right down here right now because this thing could just rip straight back up there. Be real scary. Right now, hold up here at the 240 level for now. 3-minute chart. Starting to put a little bit of bottom there. We held that 220 area for now. I can see some type of little pushback up here, but it has not happened yet. So 1-minute chart, just red, 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 red. And still heading down. Wow. Buyer just stepped in there at 225 on the book map right now. Big buyer sitting there, 200 contracts. Somebody trying to get covered from the short. Still getting dumped into there. Wow. Been a long time since I've seen a move like this. Just absolutely straight down. Wowzers. It's going right for that fucking gap fill we talked about earlier. I mean, it's still got a lot of room to run to get that gap fill there, but I guess not really. Pretty much there. I mean, we're getting to that gap fill. Always been. The gaps love to get filled here. Just trying to see if buyers start coming in down here at the bottom at all. Just not really seeing much yet. I want to see a big buyer step up there and move this price back up here for, I don't know, I just don't want to get fucking short down here at the bottom. Oh, thank you. Again, still heading lower. This 3-minute chart is just a bloodbath. Look at this 3-minute chart right now. There's your 100-point move from the 37s down there to the 210s now. She going, baby. All the way to fill that gap from yesterday. Holy guacamole. Still going. Still going. Fuck. Every time it's like you think it might bottom out and it just keeps going lower. Like it's fucking hard to short at the bottom every fucking time. Same thing like buying the tops every time. Would have liked just a little bit of a push up here or something. Maybe a little bear flag. I'd like to see a little bear flag or something here. Fuck me. When they say just buy the dip, sometimes buying the dip don't work, my friends. So about that. Ouch. If only it was that easy just to buy the dip. Clearly right now the NASDAQ said everybody who's buying the dip's getting fucked. Some buyers stepping in right now, kind of watching here, but still just a lot of pressure from the sellers. More selling pressure than buying pressure still. Even down here at the lows right now, nobody's stepping in here. That could change with a split second. Watching the book map here. Need some more volume here at this low. Still trouble. Just cannot get out of this fucking cell, they said. The ES starting to push back up, so be careful. Well, it's not really pushing back up, but it's holding the 52s now on the ES, so the NASDAQ could possibly find some buyers here, but it's just downtown for party town. Absolute bloodbath. Look at this 3-minute chart. Just do. This is one of those days where you can get short and just fucking move your stop to the high of these candles. Just keep on moving it down. But it's not always this easy. I'll tell you that. It looks easy right now, but fuck. That was just such a prime gap fill potential today after that big move up overnight. We pretty much gave up that whole move up overnight. We're pretty much like right now back to break even. Almost break even here on the NASDAQ right now in terms of percentage moved. Oh, I need you. Maybe a little lesson for the future. Anytime NVIDIA has huge news and the market goes up 1% overnight, get ready for that gap fill the next day. Next earnings report, we'll remember that. It'll be the opposite next time. The market will just keep going higher. That's a problem. Right now, holding up here at the 200s for now. Stuck at the 220s there. Fuck me, man. See if their buyers are going to try to step up here at the 200s now. Nope. Not yet. Fucking A. It just keeps going low. The FOMO is so real right now. I know exactly what's going to happen, though. If I fucking get short here at the bottom, it's going to fucking rip up 50 points. Are you kidding me right now? Fuck me, man. Welcome to day trading. Look at that. Through the 200s now. Down there, the 85s. Fuck me. This is painful to watch. My FOMO is absolutely going insane right now. But I know exactly what's going to happen. The minute that I get short, this thing's going to rip up 50 fucking points. So I'm not going to do it. We're bouncing off a pivot point now there as well on the NASDAQ on the hourly chart. We're pretty much back to that kind of bull flag from yesterday. Support there, the 200s now. So trying to just keep myself from fucking doing something stupid here. The FOMO. If you guys haven't hit that like button, help me out. Blow the like button. Blow like button up. Love you. Think what feels my soul. Things my hits me ho. There's that rip I was worried about right there. That's exactly why I did not want to get fucking short down there at the 200s just yet. I would like to see let's get like a pushback up here a little bit, you know? Come on, give me a little pushback up for a short opportunity. Ugh, it's fucked. Still just not enough. We need a little bit more. Dancing what makes me whole. Pretty remarkable though. They gave up that. We're pretty much like back to flat from yesterday. So we're pretty much filling that gap almost. We were pretty damn close. I think we pretty much filled it. Maybe there's a little bit more down. There's a pivot point down there at the 170s, by the way. But again, like I said, just kind of, I would need like a kind of a lower high. Like this area would be a nice kind of lower high area there. The 260s would be nice. Ideally, it might be a little greedy, but ideally that would be kind of good spot to get short at there, right in the middle of that 15-minute candle as well. Pretty much like right up there in this level. So push back up into that 260, 270 level. Come on. That would be a nice little short, and then try to get that move back down to this pivot point there. But maybe she just keeps on going right to that pivot now. That's a dangerous 15-minute candle right there. A dangerous 15-minute candle right there. That's a... The ES is basically pushed back up to the middle of that 15-minute candle right there. So I think the NASDAQ wants to try to push here. See. Like a DJ. DJ Pat on the ones and the twos. I could be a DJ for sure. Put me in there. Put me in, coach. All right, market pushing back up here through the 220s. Let's see what happens next. Got to get through that 220 level for the bulls to try to get a push back up into the middle of this 15-minute chart. Minute candle right there. I got the loving for you. Need to hold this trend line. You got that 228, 230 level, and then like 240s up there. The ES basically regaining most of that 15-minute candle on the ES right now. So let's see how this plays. Pulling back again, bouncing off this trend line here. I just do not love getting short down here, so I'm not shorting down here, by the way. Even if this thing goes lower, I don't want to, especially with the ES squeezing back up, I don't want to get short down here at the bottom right now. No, thank you. I'd rather not take a trade than try to short down here at the bottom and get fucking squeezed for nothing. So let's play it smart. Even if we miss out on the next move down, I think it's better just to be patient. The ES is pushed all the way back up there to the 461s right now. So the ES is staying alive. The dollar is pulling back here. I just don't think there's any reason to get short yet. Need more of a pushback up here on the NASDAQ. I know it's the FOMO is real right now too, because it's like, okay, maybe we just fucking dump through here and then move down to that pivot point, but up the phone on alone. The ES back up there, 6150s. NASDAQ looking squeezy here. I think if it breaks through 220, it'll go right to the 230s here. There it is, through the 220s now. On the book map, showing that 230 liquidity sitting up there. Fucking A. The sellers are relentless down here. I'm surprised that people are still sitting here dumping this thing right now. Just like big orders, especially now. Look at the ES almost back up to the VWAP. The ES is back up towards the VWAP at the 66s. The NASDAQ, you got about a 100-point move back to the VWAP now. So like I said, I am not looking to get short down here at the fucking bottom. No, thank you. I like to make money, not lose money. There's that push up there to the 30s now. See if they're gonna rip it right through the 30s. Guck up the phone. Look at the fucking ES back at the VWAP right now. The ES is literally at the VWAP. The NASDAQ's 100 points away from the VWAP, by the way. So, you never know. I mean, if the ES starts boosting, I don't see how the NASDAQ doesn't want to at least get back up there to the 60s or more. You know, it's like, come on. Right now, the ES stuck there at the VWAP. The NASDAQ again pulling back here. Fucking yee. Need more push, baby. More push. Give me some more. The ES right there at the VWAP right now. 66s. Pretty much just took back that whole sell down on the ES. Now just basically getting that whole fill to push back up there to the opening on the ES. So the ES is basically back at the opening right now. The NASDAQ still sitting down here at the 200s, the lows. So tricky situation, I would say. Tricky. I just don't like the fact that the ES pushed all the way back up there to the open and the NASDAQ's still sitting down here at the lows. So like I said, NASDAQ looking squeezy here. Those last minute bears, everybody trying to short down here at the lows are going to get fucking squeezed out. It's too easy for the market makers to do it. They're just like, aha, I'm going to squeeze everybody out a few times before moving it down again. Look at the ES through the VWAP now. ES breaking out to the upside through the VWAP right now. The NASDAQ still stuck down here at the 30s, but like I said, the fucking VWAP trying to push on the NASDAQ. That's a 100-point move back up to the VWAP, by the way. On the book map right now, 40 sitting up there. Dollar is just sell, sell, sell on the dollar right now. DXY, if you're watching, you'll see the dollar just going sell, sell, sell as well here. Giving some strength to the NASDAQ for now. So the ES stuck there at the 68s right there from earlier resistance. The NASDAQ chopping here at the 20s. A little scary here. Fuck. This could be a good short. I don't know. I just wish the ES wasn't up at the VWAP right now. You know? Because this thing just, as long as the ES keeps showing strength at the VWAP, I think the NASDAQ still squeezy, so. No shorts for me. We bounced off that hourly pivot point down there on the NASDAQ as well, so. I'd want to see the ES start selling back down here to get short on the NASDAQ. Oh, man. You guys ever hit that like button? Help me out, blow up that like button. We got 500 likes here on the stream. It's free to like, by the way. And don't forget, this is basically the last week or so of Market Flow Trader Community being only $500. Only $500. Market Flow Trader Community. If you're missing out, this is the time to get in. Lifetime membership, $500. It's popping off. We got people making buddy. Check out, see what's going on with the Sage's chat room right now. Got Sage. This is the Market Flow Trader live chat. We got Sage in there sharing his screen, talking through trades. We got all the traders popping off over here. I think there's like 284 people here right now. Market pulling back here. The NASDAQ back to the 200s. Let's see what happens here at the 200s now. But yeah, we got people taking trades, people trading in here. It's $500 lifetime access until September 1st. After that, it's going to be changing the prices up. So if you guys are thinking about joining, right now is the time to join. There's links down below and all that fun stuff. So it's time. So even when I'm not live, Sage is normally live for most of the day. So if you guys want to check out the chat room, there's the whole chat room, and then we've got more fun stuff. Got the community, we got the different stuff. This includes the course as well. It's not just for the chat. So I go through pretty much like all of the basics, everything that I use, candlesticks, all that fun stuff, support, resistance, the indicators, volume, time frame strategies, the market flow, and well, market flow, all that fun stuff. We talk about stop losses and all of that, and managing. Look at that face. Oh my, ugh. Look at that guy. All right, so we're putting in a higher low right now. So the bulls are trying to defend this level. Squeezy still looking squeezy. Higher lows, higher lows. They couldn't get it back below 200 again there, so they popped it back up for now. Like I said, not trying to get short down here. As long as the ES holds up at the VWAP up there at the 465s for now. So only way I'd be getting short is if we really start seeing some sellers coming in there hard again. I think now that we fill that gap, there's just no reason to chase this thing to the downside here. There's more potential for the buyers to step in than the sellers to step in here. I like making money, not losing money, baby. It's a battle here at the 21 EMA right now on the NASDAQ. The book map looking pretty kind of just, the sellers came in there again. Look at that volume coming in there. Sellers again at the 200s. They're dumping it. Fuck, that happened quick. Down there to the 85s. Will they bounce it one more time here? Or sell it down there to that pivot point? There's a pivot point down there at the 71s. 71 pivot point down there. There she goes. I did not get that short there. I came in there pretty quick. Fuck. Well. Gonna be one of those days. One of those days where it's better to just not take a trade than take a trade and lose money. So right now, again, holding there at the 200s for now. I'm gonna stay out of it for now. See what happens here at the 200s. 15,200 there. The ES coming back down. The NASDAQ selling here. See if we move down to that pivot point. Down there to the 70s, beautiful. Took that short. I said, fuck it. I'm going short here at the 86s. For that move down to the 70s, just like that. Easy peasy mac and cheesy. I had to get one fucking trade in here. I said if the sellers came in there hard, you saw the ES dumping there as well. So once I saw the ES dumping, now the NASDAQ's dumping. I'm still short. Looking for this move. Boom, I stop at the 70s now. Can't lose. Let's see if we can go down there to the 50s next. There we go, down there to 56s. Watching it here, see if we can move all the way up. And moving my stop 65s here to guarantee I lock in profit, but maybe move down there through the 56s next. Let's see. Coming back up here, stopped out 66s, all good. I'll take it. What a move. Just dumped it right on down there. I was late to the party as well. That's the best part. I wasn't even in it early. Still made plenty of money. Still made plenty of money being late to the party. Remember, sometimes you get, it's okay to be late. Just don't want to be the first person there and don't want to be the last person there. So down there to the 56s. $150 on the book map down there. So 154 tapping. Fucking push back up and just stop me out. Literally the high was 57 there. Gotta love it. Yeah, gotta love it. The ES down there to the 50s again. The ES just dumped right through there. The NASDAQ still moving lower down here, 44s. Look at this thing, 42s now. The NASDAQ going into the red on the day. Red on the day on the NASDAQ. Who would have thought? If you'd have asked the bulls this morning if the NASDAQ was going to be red today, they would have laughed and said, no way, Jose. And well, there we are. We're red on the day now. Pretty amazing move here. Amazing move. You saw how the ES just dumped. Like I said, I was looking for the ES to come in there hard and start selling back down. And you saw how, look at that, the ES just started dumping back down here, and that's when I got short there on the NASDAQ. So was watching the ES to give up that strength there and move back down, and that's exactly what we got. That just dump. It just dumped on that last 5-minute candle right there, and that was my signal to get short there on the ES. We got the break below the 200s, and then that move down there. Wowzers. Down there to the 151s for now. We're down to that pivot point there on the QQQ as well. There's a pivot point right here on the QQQ there at the 367.38 level now. So those pivot points love to get touched. Yes, sir. Look at that rip back up there off that pivot for now. Seeing if some more volume starts coming in here now, but there's the what is that, about a fucking 200 point, well, that's about a 100 point move from the open now. Or is that, wait, is that 200 points? About 200 points. There's the 200 point fucking move we talked about. Remember earlier this morning, we talked about that gap fill potential, 200 points there. Look at that. It happened. It fucking happened, boys and girls. We thought it was crazy to think that it would be a 200 point move to the downside here, but there it is. The NASDAQ, 200 points, giving it up. What a wild ride there. $200 point move to the downside. Wow. Put that on your fucking refrigerator. Trade of the month right there. 200 points to the fucking downside. I can't believe I'm even still impressed. This is the only 10, that's 45 minutes. 45 minutes just absolutely getting crushed. And still down there to the 42s now. 38s, 42s. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. All right, all right. I think I'm going to be done for the day there. I'm actually heading down to the Keys to go fishing today. So I'm heading down there today. I'm going to be fishing. I will not be live tomorrow morning. I will not be live tomorrow morning for Fresh Cash Friday. I know. I'm going to go have a 3-day weekend. It's my birthday next Monday. So I'll be here for my birthday on Monday, but I won't be here for Fresh Cash Friday. I thought it was a fair deal, right? I'll go down to the Keys. I'll fish Friday, Saturday, Sunday. I'll come back Monday, and we'll do it all over again. We'll make money on Mega Money Mondays. So if you guys haven't hit that like button, subscribe button, you know what to do. I'll be back next Monday live on YouTube. So hopefully we catch some big fish and I'll post up some videos about it. But if you guys want to learn more, Market Flow Trader community, it's going off right now. We got everybody in there in the live stream on the Market Flow Trader community. Come and join us. It's $500 lifetime for now. After this deal's over, after the deal's over, it's over. So if you guys want to learn more, there's links down below. Come join us, and I'll see you guys next Monday. Next Monday, back in the action. I'm gonna go enjoy the weekend, enjoy a Friday, and I will see you guys. See you next week. Hopefully, I come back. Hopefully, hopefully I don't perish. No submarines for me. No submarine diving, but we will be fishing. Hopefully, catching some big submarine fish. You know what I mean? Big old submarine fish. So the NASDAQ still heading lower here. Can't stop, won't stop, they said. Down there to the 24s now. Wow. What a time. This thing has just been an absolutely bloodfest to the downside here. Wow. A lot of money should have been made today. It just was, I wish, it's always easy in hindsight, right? Fuck me. But on that note, I'm just going to walk away. Not going to fucking try to FOMO into it or doing stupid. So I'm going to go enjoy the weekend. Hopefully you guys also do the same thing. Enjoy your weekend. Enjoy your Friday. Fresh Cash Friday tomorrow. It'll be going off in the Market Flow Trader community. But for now, time to walk away. It is a bloodbath. Insane. Insane today, actually. I'll see you guys next Monday. Fuck. It's always easy in hindsight. Looking at it now, you're like, why did I not make $10 million today? Just little. What a time to be alive. The market absolutely getting murdered right now. The market just getting murdered. Down there to the, is it going all the way to the hundreds? I need to walk away. The FOMO is insane right now. Look at this thing. Fuck, from the 200s, another 100 point, literally about to be another 100 point move down here. From the 220s now down to the 120s. So you had a 100 point move from open. You had another fucking 100 point move from this setup right there. So, wowzers. Just do to the downside there. So congratulations. Absolute bloodfest. It's my birthday on Monday. Monday birthday. I'll be back for Monday. Live on Monday. So we'll be back. Mega Money Mondays. I'll see you guys then. I'm out of here. I'm going to go enjoy the weekend. And hopefully you have a good weekend. Good Friday. Make some money for me. Let me know how it goes on Monday. I'll see you guys then. Peace to the Middle East. Let's go.